Hello, Lynn. Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Yeah, can you hear me? Okay, that's good. All right. So today, Lynn, is we will be doing Unit 38. Okay, for today's class, let me share to you the screen. Now, Lynn, what is Unit 38 all about?
My favorites.
Okay, Unit 38 is all about my favorites. Lynn, what are the given words in here? We have
Cap,
cap, next.
dress,
Dress, next.
hat,
Hat, next. What's next? Jacket.
jacket,
Okay. Next, Lynn, how about these words, Lynn? What are these words? We have
jeans,
jeans, next.
shirt,
Shirt, next.
shoe,
Shoes, and
short,
very good. Okay. Now here, Lynn, I have here another vocabulary words. We have
skirt,
skirt, next.
t-shirts,
T-shirt, next.
gloves,
Clothes. Okay, good job. All right, Lynn, can you tell me what's your favorite? Lynn, what's your favorite clothes to wear, Lynn?
teacher, can you speak again?
Okay, Lynn, what's your favorite clothes? What's your favorite What's your favorite clothes, Lynn?
My favorite clothes is dress.
Okay, that's your color. Okay, how about here, Lynn? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is jacket.
Okay, all right. Now here, Lynn, I have the following. Can you see many things? Lynn, how many things can you see in the picture?
There are trees.
Okay, there are how many things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? Again, Lynn, how many things can you see in the picture? There are there are 10. Okay? So
Eight.
in the there are 8, sorry. So there are 8 things that we can see in the picture. Now, Lynn, I want you to write what is being described. For example, if you talk about boots, socks, and trousers, they are what you call clothes. Okay? Now, here, Lynn, I want you to um, okay, I want you to write what's the similarities of the following. Numbers 1 to 7. Go.
Which one next?
Okay, please read, Lynn. Number
One.
one.
Drawing, pushing, painting, doing.
Next. What's next, Lynn?
Number three, donkey, chicken, tiger, animals. Dog,
Next.
badminton, basketball, soccer, sport. Number five, newsball, ride, grass, food. Number six, robot, doll, teddy bear, toy. Number seven, milk, fruit, juice, water, drink.
Okay, let's check your answer, Lynn. So here are the following. Number one, drawing, fishing, and painting. Is it a doing? These are called hobbies. Okay, things we do in our free time. Next, blue, green, gray, correct colors or color. Donkey, chicken, tiger, very good. Animals. Badminton, baseball, soccer, Lynn, correct. Sports. Meatballs, rice, and grapes. Very good. Food. Robot, doll, teddy bear. We called it toys. Milk, fruit juice, and water. It's a drink. Okay, so there you go, Lynn. Those are the correct answers in this activity. Okay, now here, I asked you already with your favorite clothes. Lynn, how about what are your favorite fruits? Can you tell me what are your favorite fruits?
My favorite fruit is watermelon.
Watermelon. Why do you like watermelon, Lynn? Why you like it?
Mm,
Because? Why? Because? You just like it?
mm, because it's tasty.
Okay, because it's tasty. Okay, good. How about this one, Lynn? What is your favorite sport?
Mm,
What are your favorite sports, Lynn?
My favorite sport is swim.
Okay, what else? Give me one more. And
And badminton.
badminton. Okay. Okay, how about your favorite drinks?
My
What's your favorite drink?
my favorite drink is milk tea.
Milk tea. Okay. All right. So here, Lynn, you're going to write what is your favorite. Okay. Animals, color, drink, food, toys, sports, and hobby. Okay. Go.
Okay.
Đồ ăn tôi nghĩ là đồ ăn học và cái gì các bạn làm thôi, còn cái món của tao
Yes. Number 5, I don't know.
Okay. So, Lynn, what's your favorite animal? It's
Dog.
dog. What's your favorite color?
White.
White. What's your favorite drink?
Milk tea.
Okay, next. What's your favorite food?
Chicken.
Okay, your favorite sport is? Favorite sport is? Is?
Mm.
This one, your answer. What's your favorite sport? It's badminton. Badminton. Can you see it? You wrote there badminton. Okay. Next, Lynn, what's your favorite hobby?
Painting.
Okay, there you go. Okay, Lynn. Okay, so with me. So Lynn, I have here the following. Wait me. Before we start this one, Lynn, please enter again to the Zoom class, Lynn, so that you'll have more time in answering.